In this video, I'm gonna explain how to trade in long after three red candle in row. Today, the price opened with a big gap down, almost right on the support. Right here in the pre-market, one red candle, two red candle, two red candle in the pre-market, plus one red candle in the open. When you see three red candle, it is entered in call with the first green candle, stop loss just below, because if this trade doesn't work, you will be protected with your stop loss. Also, it takes more relevance because just below it is the support. If you put the stop loss below the support, much better. Where is the exit? The exit is one, two. This solid green candle, it is a strong confirmation in call. One, two, three, four. Right here with four green candle. It's okay with five green candle. However, four green candle in row always take profit because we don't know what will happen next. For a reason, always take profit. And from here, the price hit the resistance, a strong resistance level, because yesterday, Tuesday, the price hit the support. Now the price open with gap down. This support became automatically in resistance level. When the price hit resistance level, it is a clear enter in put stop loss above. Yes, right here. Above the candle. This solid red candle, it is confirmation in put. So right here, it is enough to take profit with four red candle. From here, the price was oscillating and the price kept going down. So entering put right here in the resistance level, exit right here. If the price continue going down, it's okay, but you must take your profit because we don't know what happened next. Um, from here, let me show you a trade in call that I took. I got it with this candle in call, my stop loss below, but this trade doesn't doesn't work well because the price go down with four red candle right here. You must apply the rule number one: cut losses quickly. For I got in call with this bullish engulfing. However, this trade it didn't work well. I cut my losses quickly because this is the rule number one in my strategy, in my trading plan. Two red candle. I I walk away. No hope. Always cut losses quickly. And from here, the price, as you can see, made a double bottom right here. But from here, the price goes up. This is a clear BTC engulfing. I got an input, exit with this candle. Never wait the last candle because the last candle I always say it is it's a lottery, can be green or can be red. For that reason, only the if you enter with this BTC engulfing, you just sell it with the next red candle. It is 50% in profit. That is a lot of money for 5-minute candle. For tomorrow, Thursday, November 5, let me emphasize something. In this moment, as I recorded the video, the price went down, and from here the price made a rebound. In this moment, as I recorded the video, the price it is floating with the support level. For tomorrow, we have a clear resistance level and support level. If tomorrow, Thursday, November 5, the price open below this level it is a strong resistance level. Yes, if tomorrow the price above this level is a strong resistance level, and we have in this level a strong support level. Only if the price open below the level. Also, if the price open above the level, we have a clear and strong resistance level because one, two, three. This is a clear triple top strong resistance level.